In the world of Demon Slayer, Nezuko Kamado stands out as an extraordinary character who defies her demonic instincts to protect her humanity. Once a loving sister, her life turned upside down when a demon massacre left her as the sole survivor, transformed into the very monster she despised. Despite her new nature, Nezuko's bond with her brother Tanjiro remains unbreakable. With a bamboo muzzle to suppress her urge to bite, she fights alongside Tanjiro, using her demonic strength to protect the innocent. Her journey is a testament to love and resilience, proving that even in darkness one can find the light.